Hi everyone, welcome to this series of thermodynamic question solving. So as you can see, this question number is different, that is 29, that might be from module, but in this series that question will be question number 8. So now let's read out the question. It says 1 mole of an ideal gas is put through a series of changes as shown in the figure, which contains 1, 2, 3, 3 steps or 3 states, right? Find the pressure at each 3 stages. That means at each 3 stage we have given volume, we have given temperature, we have to find out pressure, right? So if I just talk about the stages, let me zoom it out. Okay, so if I just talk about stage 1, as you can see, stage 1 is like the volume, respective volume and respective temperatures are given. So what would be pressure? Pressure is nothing but nRT by V. From ideal gas equation, we know PV equals to nRT, so obviously P will be nRT by V, right? Now we have to find out, we have to list down all this values given. So N is 1 mole. What is R? R would be 8.314, right? Since this is given in liter, so 8.314, what I can do is, joule mein hota hai na, and we know that joule is nothing but Pascal into meter cube. So this will be Pascal into meter cube into mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. This will be our R, universal gas constant. Now if I just look at temperature, so at stage 1 temperature is 300 Kelvin. And what about volume? Volume is at stage 1, volume is 22.4 liter. And we know liter is decimeter cube, right? And decimeter cube is nothing but 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So this will be 22.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube. This will be the volume. So we have taken volume in meter cube, we have taken universal gas constant in Pascal into meter cube. Now let's plug in all the values. So 1 into 8.314 into temperature is 300 upon this is 22.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now if you just solve all this, and you will get a pressure of 1.113 into 10 raised to the power 3 Pascal. So this will be your 1.113 bar. Right, this will be your bar. So see, stage 1 pe this is 1.113, although the answer is 1, but let's look at stage 2. So if I just talk about stage 2 pe kya hai? See, the temperature is 600, that means temperature became double, but the volume is same. Can you see? For stage 2 the volume is same, but temperature got doubled. That means we know pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So if the temperature got doubled, pressure will also get doubled. So that means 1.113 को 2 से multiply कर दोगे तो हो जाएगा 2.226. This will be your stage 2's pressure. Temperature double हो गया, but volume is constant. So obviously pressure will be this 2.226. Now let's talk about stage 3 and the last stage. So if I just talk about stage 3, look, the temperature is now 300. That means temperature is same, while the volume became 11.2. That means volume half हो गया. Volume पहले कितना था? Volume पहले stage 1 पे था 22.4, but temperature था 300. Stage 3 पे volume same, volume half हो गया, but temperature same है. And we know pressure is inversely proportional to volume, right? From Boyle's law. तो वॉल्यूम अगर हाफ हो गया तो प्रेशर क्या हो जाएगा? डबल हो जाएगा. स्टेज 1 पे प्रेशर क्या था? स्टेज 1 पे था 1.113 बार, एंड स्टेज 3 पे क्या होगा? प्रेशर डबल हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 2.226 बार. सो अगेन 2.226 बार. सो फाइनली आवर आंसर विल बी आंसर 2. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस वीडियो.